Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Devices settings. In them, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and tap on Bluetooth. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, tap on Pair to connect and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them though, tap on this icon next to the device and tap on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!